Hi everyone, Koshan here. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I know I'm a bit late. I apologize. I was going through some difficult issues late last year and the beginning of this year, and I just didn't feel like that was the time I should be doing a happy new year video. But things are a little bit better now, and I'm trying to look forward to the future. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you to everyone for continuing to watch my channel, to keep giving my video those likes. Some of my videos last year's got a lot of views. I was very surprised and I'm very happy. It motivates me to make even more videos. I promised early last year that I was going to work on improving my channel, the content quality, and I think I'm starting to figure it out. I'm slowly getting there. I decided to add some content creator type videos too, my experiences from doing this for the past 2 years, and I hope that some of you find that useful as well. So to show my gratitude for everyone for continuing to watch my channel, getting my video up there with more views, I'm going to release a bunch of short fitness tip videos for this month and throughout next month. I have about 20 fitness tips. These are basically fitness tips that I picked up from my 30 years plus of being in the fitness world. When I first started out in Taekwondo in my pre-teens, did some time in the US military. I got out and did some CrossFit, did some bodybuilding, and I've been a personal trainer for the past 5 years. I'm basically gathering up all my knowledge and all my experience from that, and I'm gonna share with you some of the most important tips that I feel will benefit you on your fitness journey. They will be short videos, I promise, under 5 minutes. I know some of my videos can be a bit long, and I apologize. I can be detailed in some of my videos, but I don't like short format videos. I don't like that quick information, and they're very open-ended. A lot of them just simplify everything when it comes to fitness, and unfortunately, in the fitness world, if you want good results, if you want good progress, things are never easy. Take it from someone who's been doing this for 30 plus years. To this day, I still push myself. I'm still sore. There isn't an easy day, but in the end, it's all worth it. Remember, one of the best things you can invest in your life is on your health and overall well-being. And it's very cost effective, believe it or not. A lot cheaper than some of the other things you can invest in life. All right, I think that introduction was a bit long, so let's wrap it up. Once again, thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart. I want to wish everybody a happy new year and best of luck in this new year. Hopefully we can all recover from this pandemic, and I promise to keep improving my channel, improving the content, just like I promised last year. Let's get started on that first fitness tip. All right, it's kind of windy now, but let's see if I can get this fitness tip out of the way. Here's another thing. When you're starting an exercise program, don't place your priority on your aesthetics. When you're doing aesthetics training, you need to have a foundation. You need to have good cardiovascular health, you need to have some strength, and you need to have some muscle mass before you can get the look that you want. So as a beginner, or you haven't exercised in a while, try to focus more on your cardiovascular health. When you're doing weight training, which is very helpful for getting the aesthetics that you want, if you cannot do certain exercises for an extended period of time, which involves your cardiovascular health, you're not gonna make it. Aesthetics training requires very good cardiovascular health. So in the beginning, go out and focus, let's say for the first 2 to 4 weeks, focus on your aerobics, focus on cardio. Go out for a jog, do some power walking, do some hiking, do something that improves your heart and lung endurance, strength, and health. And then when you go into the gym and you want to do some weight training to improve your aesthetics, you're gonna find that aesthetics training or bodybuilding is easier to do. And the truth is, when you do bodybuilding or aesthetics training, the rest periods need to be short, 30 to 60 seconds. So if your heart and lungs are not ready for it, you're not going to be successful at bodybuilding or aesthetics training. I've talked about this before in my previous videos. When you are training for aesthetics, which is you're trying to improve the appearance of your body, the rest periods need to be very short, usually between 30 to 60 seconds. Second, you want to keep the muscles under tension. That means you're trying to do that set for as long as possible. So a lot of sources recommend anywhere from 30 seconds to 60 seconds to keep that muscle under tension. So going back to this earlier tip, focus first on your cardiovascular health before you start doing aesthetics training. All right, everyone, that's it for this tip. I'll see you for the next one.